welcome back to my channel. So today every day, but like especially today, I'm going to be putting myself on blast for being a victim of TikTok ads. If you've seen any of the videos from the buying clothes from sketchy Instagram ad videos, I love a good targeted ad, and I have bought a lot of shit for my Instagram and TikTok ads. But today, this is the first video that I've ever done specifically buying things from my TikTok ads. I feel like Instagram is a little more tailored in knowing what I want, but TikTok is getting smarter. She's getting smarter, guys. I feel like TikTok hasn't quite figured out when to stop advertising things to me once I've purchased the product. Maybe there's like really driving home the exposure, not entirely sure. But I've got 7 products that are all purchased from TikTok ads that were served to me over the past couple weeks, and I am ready to review and try. I've been saving them for the video, so I'm excited to just like have them out of a box in my office. This sweater was one of the purchases, so I cheated a little bit because it's really cute and was really difficult to put on, so like the review not so great so far, and let's hop into it. This one honestly already is a solid 9 of 10 in my heart. So this one is called Pokepet, and essentially it's a company that makes a Pokemon card out of your pet. And if this is not the cutest shit that I have ever seen in my entire life, I am the prime demographic for this because I am a millennial, so I grew up with Pokemon cards. And there's nothing more that I want in my life that I didn't know that I needed and wanted in my life was my dog Moose as a Pokemon. So I think because of how successful the TikTok ads have been, they're like super backed up. So I do have like a regular Pokepet Moose card that's all gold and like metal coming. Can't wait, very excited. But they sent the canvas separately, and the best part is that one, you submit the photos, you get to choose the photo of your pet, obviously. You get to like customize the little background and his environment and any kind of like elemental things that you want. So I was like, can you do something fun with lightning? Because I don't really know, like it's up to you, do something fun. And I also was like, can you make sure the freckle on his nose doesn't look super like a dick? Like I know in reality it's kind of like a weird like 3-ball dick shape, but I was like, can you try and like not make it super dicky? So here was the final artwork that they do. Like their graphic designer team does the artwork, and you get to customize all of the like traits on your Pokemon card. So Moose is a grass Pokepet because, you know, he doesn't really f with water. So weakness is water, his power is unimaginable cuteness, insatiable appetite, and ultimate speed eater. His attack is the boop. Moose stuns his opponent with a deadly boop, followed by stealing all of their snacks. I forget what all of these numbers mean. I chose the highest numbers I think that I could because I was like, oh, Moose is obviously the strongest Pokepet of the pack. Anyways, this is for sure going in my office front center stage because it's hilarious and adorable and so custom. I feel like you guys know that I'm a sucker for anything like custom. I think you'll probably have time before Christmas, no promises since I very clearly do not work at this company, but like potentially a great gift idea. Total cost without tax and shipping was $65 for both the card and the canvas. I think within a week I had the photo of like what Moose's graphic was gonna look like to approve, and then I think 2 to 3 weeks total from time of purchase to time of Pokepet on doorstep arrival. But overall, 9 out of 10, but possible 10 out of 10. I want to give us a full 10 out of 10 because like it's so cute. But until I get my card, until I get my metal Pokepet card, 9 out of 10. Next up we have 2 products from Hero Cosmetics. And so the actual ad was this lightning wand, which was $19.99. And when I tell you that this order came so fast that I forgot that I even had it because it came so fast, and I forgot, and I had to wait on all these other products to arrive. Like it was so fast. So I haven't tried this as I'm filming this right now, but the ad says results in 2 days, which has me feeling really skeptical. But I do have some friend endorsements saying that this product does work. So I think I've got 3 nights starting today where I can use this product to see how much of a change we can get in 3 days from this lightning wand. I'm excited. The ad really sold me, but like you just never know. You never know if you're getting bamboozled by marketing. Outside of this just being like an actual magic product, brightens and smooths with vitamin C, niacinamide, and tranexamic acid. That's a new one. I haven't heard that before. Zap dark spots with the lightning wand, a daily rollerball serum that effortlessly brightens post-blemish pigmentation. I struggled with like hardcore cystic acne like 3 to 4 years ago, so I definitely have hyperpigmentation and dark spots like kind of where my cheekbones are. Oh, you know what? The same spot that the girl in the ad had it too, so like the expectations are very high, Hero Cosmetics. I also ordered these Mighty patches because these products have changed my life. And even just saying that now, I think I've decided that I want to do like a roundup of all the products that changed my life in 2021. So let me know if you want to see that video, because I feel like I've got some shit that will just help you through life, like these Mighty patches. I've used a few different brands, but basically it's like, is it a hydrocolloidal oil? Hydrocolloid, and this shit changes lives. So 10 out of 10, and then this one, TBD. Shipping, incredible. Pricing, oddly affordable for something that could potentially change my life. So future Lauren will be back with an overall review and rating for this lightning wand. Hello, Lauren from the future here in potentially some weird nighttime lighting, but I am back with a review. I did a solid 3 days, twice a day, and I don't know if I just wanna believe that I am seeing a difference. I actually did like a super zoomed in photo, and I shot these photos in the same light, so it's the bathroom fluorescent lighting. Skin never looks good under this lighting, but I think that like one main scar got like a little smaller. I don't want to be like, oh, miracles are real, this is like a miracle product, but like, I don't know, maybe I'm just like seeing things that I want to see. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. I feel good about it, and I'm gonna send you back to past Lauren. I don't know why this product ended up being like the poster child for TikTok ads. I mean, don't get me wrong, like these Smiley slippers are absolutely crushing it because it is every other TikTok ad on the entire platform. Like you can't go on the app without seeing the Smile cushion slippers. And gonna be honest, I bought these on Amazon a couple months ago because I think Remy had them, and I was like, oh shit, those are really cute. I don't know if I got a knockoff version, if there's like an original, or if like they're all from the same like manufacturer. I got a size 37 to 38. They were $19.99 with $9 shipping. They came like relatively quickly. I will say that the ones that I got off Amazon came obviously like on Amazon Prime within 2 days. And we have a benchmark because I've had these slippers before from the Amazon ones. I think these are gonna be the same, honestly. Are they good slippers? Yes. Do they fit well? Yes. Is it a Smiley cute slipper? Yes. They're good slippers. Honestly, I don't really know how to review a slipper. This isn't a slipper review channel. They're cute. 10 out of 10. They're comfy. 10 out of 10. They won't shut the f up on TikTok. 2 out of 10. But like also maybe that means 10 out of 10 on like actual efficiency of advertising. It works. It works. Honestly, these are good slippers. They really are. They're like pretty cushy. 10 out of 10. What can I say? A good slipper is a good slipper, you know? This next one is another brand that I feel like just totally dominates the TikTok ad space, or maybe just my TikTok ad space. So it's Addictive. That's the brand name, and you've probably seen girls trying on like the cutest pants and outfits and matching sets. Like this shit is so cute. And I think in my brain I was pronouncing it like etiquetted. It was one of those words where I looked at the letters but didn't take the time to process how it was probably pronounced, because like when you look, it's like EDIKTED, like addicted. Like obviously that spells addicted, like use your brain. But I just like didn't take the time. So in my brain it was called like etiquette. These are the pants. These are the faux leather Luna flare leg pants. And the girls in the ads make this shit look so cute. And if I don't look like one of those girls, I will be devastated. So I did originally get a small, which normally I'm between an extra small to a small. The small did not fit whatsoever. So I would definitely size up one because these are a medium and they fit almost perfectly. I've got like a little bit of extra space, I feel like, in the crotch, but like waist wise, hip wise, and like leg thigh area, these are the perfect fit in a medium, which is typically a size large that I would wear, and they're like pretty stretchy. So you've got some wiggle room. I've worn a pair of faux leather pants before, and when I tell you that like my legs were dripping in sweat, there's no world where you can go to the bathroom peacefully and take off your faux leather pants when it's like that weird faux leather. Those aren't them. These are so much better. I'm going to an event tonight, and I haven't tried these on in an actual outfit. I just like threw them on with like my pajama top. So again, if I don't look like a hot TikTok bitch, I'ma be mad. So here are the pants. They are cute. The booty is cute. They just fit so well. And they have just like the right amount of stretch to them. I will say that because they're flare, it kind of sounds like I have splash pants on when I'm walking. But the flare is honestly really cute. Like I wouldn't want these in a straight leg or a boot cut or a skinny. Like I think the flare is the move for sure, but you just get a little splash pant action. It's like a bonus, it's an added feature. It's a reward. So these are, I think, on sale actually right now for $45. Shipping was 5 to 7 days. My receipt says that I paid $75, but I think I may have gotten them not on sale. Anyways, they're much cheaper now, and I'm a big fan. The fit of them, once I found the right size for me, is definitely like a 9 out of 10. But I didn't love that they're not fully true to size, and I had to do an exchange. So like 7, 6 out of 10 for like size accuracy. And I don't know, maybe it's just my body. Maybe it's just my body and it's just the way that they fit on me, but I definitely like average out as a small, and these are definitely like a medium, and like they're pretty perfect. Like this is my size. This is my size. So if you want to average that out to a high 7, a low 8 out of 10. Either way, I'm a fan. They're good pants, and it was a successful ad. This next brand also dumped some like major ad dollars into TikTok. Again, I don't know if it's just me or if it's like all of TikTok. Everyone wants us in these like V crossed leggings, because let's be honest, like, are they flattering as f? Yes. Did Aries sell out of them so insanely fast when they went viral the last time? Also yes. So this brand Hilara or Hilara, not entirely sure. They beat me down. They basically broke me down until I bought them, and this was a purchase that I was planning prior to making this video. And so now I can actually just write them off as a business expense because now they're being featured in the video, and here I am making a commercial for them. So I ended up buying a few pieces. So this is one of them as well too. And I feel like I'm kind of wearing like a puzzle piece outfit because these cut here and this also cuts here. Both pretty flattering, gonna be honest. This is like a weird, foam is not the right word. Like it's not foam, but it's like not fleece. I don't know anything about fabrics. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking. It's like a light, foamy, cottony polyester. I genuinely don't know how to describe it. It's not like your regular cotton Hanes sweater, but I do like it much more than the sweater that I started the video in that had the like corset tie detail right here. That sweater has zero stretch to it, and I basically took off all of my forehead makeup trying to like get it, like I was like birthing myself through this sweater because it was so not stretchy, but super cute. Okay, so these are, I mean, is it just looking weird? Maybe I'll just tuck this in so we're getting like, there we go. There's something about these that's making me feel weird. I don't know, I'm just not used to having like my belly button being out in the world, because like when I wear the Lulu Align leggings, they go up to like your armpits. Maybe I just like wish they were just like a little bit higher without getting into camel toe territory. They're cute though. They're definitely not as soft and as like stretchy as a Lulu Align legging. I also have the airy ones that are flared, and this is more like a sporty fabric. Here I am trying to describe fabrics with literally zero idea what I'm saying. I don't know, they're cute though. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I think the shape is very flattering for like literally everyone's waist because it gives like the illusion of like cutting in, I guess. They got the booty, obviously. They're a little bit short.
They have pockets.
They do have pockets.
That's
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. They have pockets. I have like the 13 Pro Max. Like this is a pocket right here. I like them. They're a little bit short. Wish I had like 2 more inches. I'm 5'5", so I'm not like overly tall. Like it's not like, I usually don't have this issue. But you know, the pocket just really breaks it up. I haven't washed them yet, so I don't know how they do in terms of like stretching out. So TBD, I'll keep you posted. Are they a little loose?
They're too big.
But they got pockets! They got pockets! I've decided these are definitely too big. Like, I keep having like slippage, like as I move around, they're not holding on to me. These are definitely too big. Okay, so price-wise though, everything was 30% off when I purchased. So this was $14. That's like alarmingly cheap. The sweater that I was wearing in the intro, $21. These are $25. This order definitely took the longest out of all of them, about 3 weeks to arrive. And I just priced out the Airy leggings and the same crossover leggings retail for $50 but on sale for $33 right now. So if you're gonna buy them, honestly, I would get the Airy one. This sweater makes the whole order worth it, I think. 6 out of 10. Okay, this is a cordless automatic curler. So I'm not entirely sure how this is gonna go. This is $47 with shipping included. It came in about 2 weeks. They definitely kind of like jacked the color scheme of Dyson products. Oh my god. Oh, this is much nicer than I thought it was gonna be. Definitely feels a little plasticky, but this little metallic moment, not mad at it. Okay, I definitely need to like watch a tutorial. I wanna see if they have a YouTube video. I feel like this is not something that I wanna f around with and potentially like really damage my hair. Please hold, please hold. Oh my god, okay, a nice lady on YouTube showed me what to do. I'm real scared. You put a lot of trust into this thing. I definitely am gonna find an extension. So I've got it set at the lowest temperature, which is 150 degrees Celsius, and then I've also got it set for the lowest amount of time, which is 10 seconds. So it sucks it in here and then you have to hold it in here. Oh my god, okay, here we go, here we go. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, okay. Oh wait, was I supposed to hold the button? I don't know what to do. Do I pull it out? What do I do? Ah! Okay, I think I actually need to go up in heat. Terrifying to say. Okay, here we go. I think I'm supposed to hold it the whole time, maybe? Oh, here we go, here we go. That's right, that's right, that's right. Oh, this takes forever though. If you had to do your whole head like this. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at these ringlets. Oh my god. Oh, mama, sign me up for the pageant, baby. So here is the same length of the extension before, and here it is after. I think even if you brush this out, it's still gonna be like Taylor Swifty. I guess because the barrel is so small though, like that adds up. Like it really does. It did work though. Like that curled the hair. It's not quite the curl style that I'm going for personally, and it takes kind of a long time, but she curled. Like she did what she was supposed to do. This is why I saved this one for the end of the video, because now this is just a part of my head and I hate that for me. It's so much shorter. Look at this little boinky boinky right here. I guess I gotta give it a final rating and we can wrap this up. I guess an 8 out of 10. Like it's not necessarily the curl that I'm going for personally, but it's not a bad product. I did see some reviews online that said the charge is like really shitty and doesn't hold very well, but like I can't speak to that. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Weird product. So me and my little friend over here are gonna end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if there are other TikTok products that you get advertised to you that you didn't see in this video that you would like me to, again, be the victim of trying so that you don't have to try it, because again, a bitch is down to rally for the cause. So let me know in the comments, and also if you've tried any of these products or if you're down to try any of these products. I will see you guys on Tuesday for a new episode of Wild to 9 on the vlog channel, and again next Sunday for another video. Bye guys, love you.